How to use Twitch Squad Stream feature. Group streaming allows multiple broadcasters to share video feeds and chats in a single view for viewers. So start by simply opening the Twitch application. Make sure that you are logged into your Twitch account and simply press on your profile section. After you're on your profile, simply tap on Stream Manager. From here, all you have to do is locate the quick action menu. Simply scroll sideways and the one with the speedometer one is the quick action menu. Then simply tap on start sharing chat. And from here you'll be able to start streaming together. Simply press on get started to start. One thing to note is that you need to verify your account. So you can either have phone verification, and once you verify you will be able to start a squad, stream or stream together. Now to verify, simply press on verify your account and simply enter your phone number and the verification code will be sent. Once your verification is complete, simply tap on start sharing chat and from there you'll be able to invite guests or add a channel and search for the streamers that you want to invite. To share your stream, you may tap on share stream and from here you may copy the link and easily share it to your friends. And your friends will receive a notification to join on their end, and once everyone accepts, hit start or go live to begin. And your status will be turned to online from offline option. And that's it guys. In this way you'll be able to use Twitch Squad stream features. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.